Hey guys. Okay, so I've grabbed my Skimdevil from the pool. I pulled it out like so that my water can stream out but my debris will stay in. Now, let's tackle that debris. Okay, so we're gonna pop the basket off the back peg, like so. It should come up with a satisfying click. Next, slide your basket out. Dump that debris in your compost bin, in your trash can, in your garden, whatever floats your boat. You can also gently rinse off any stuck debris with a garden hose. We would not recommend a pressure washer, as you might not have a basket after that. Now, sliding it back in. Our Skimdevil has 4 bottom pegs. The basket should slide on top of those and click into the top 2 pegs. Also, there's a flapper in the front that holds your debris in when your Skimdevil is in your pool. Make sure this flapper is pushed toward the back and you can gently hold it back while you're sliding your basket back in. Now, take your basket, slide it back in over those 4 pegs on the bottom, slide it into the top 2 pegs, and finally, press it down gently and you hear those clicks. You're good to go. Take your Skimdevil, pop it back in the pool, turn it on. Happy skimming, everybody.